Xero skillfully simplifies the standard accounting process for small businesses. Built for the web from the ground up, it supports every major financial element you expect in a double-entry small business accounting solution: sales, purchases, bills and expenses, inventory, and payroll. You can create records for customers, suppliers, employees, and items. You can then use these records in standard customizable transactions, such as invoices, purchase orders, and quotes. Xero also lets you manage fixed assets, something competitors don't do. Welcome back to another episode of Facultive Station. Get involved and join the community by subscribing to the channel so you never miss any of our latest uploads. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at Xero and if it's worth using. Let's get into it. Since 2020, the company has enhanced numerous existing features. An add-on called Xero Analytics Plus, for example, gives you advanced short-term cash flow projections for the next week, month, 60 days, or 90 days. It also has a business snapshot dashboard showing profitability, income and expenses, and more. The Xero Analytics Plus add-on is free to U.S. customers through the end of January 2022. And then, according to the company, standard rates apply. U.S. rates haven't been made public, but the rate in the U.K. is 5 per organization per month. Another improvement is that logging in is easier and more secure. Dozens of small changes have rolled out to reports, Xero's mobile apps, invoicing, and more. These modifications and additions make what was already a very good small business accounting website better. How much does Xero cost? Xero comes in 3 pricing levels that kick in after a 30-day free trial. Xero Early, $12 per month, has monthly limits of 20 invoices and quotes, 5 bills, and unlimited reconciliation of bank transactions. Xero Growing, $34 per month, adds unlimited billing and invoicing, quotes, and bills. Xero Established, $65 per month, is the only version to offer multiple currency support. It also supports projects and Xero expenses. The prices and plans given here are for US-based customers. Xero allows for an unlimited number of users per organization and an unlimited number of companies, both of which are very unusual. Xero is more affordable than QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks costs between $25 and $180 per month. One of the lowest priced accounting services for small businesses is Zoho Books, which has 4 pricing levels that go from free to $30 per organization per month. Early activities in Xero. If you're thinking about switching to Xero from a different accounting solution or Microsoft Excel, you may have a lot of accounting data online already. Xero makes it easy to import records, transactions, and some other info from QuickBooks Online using its direct conversion tool. If you have files already set up in CSV or TXT format, such as contacts, inventory items, invoices, and so on, you can import those into Xero too. If you're starting fresh with Xero, you can use the site's thorough setup screen to get started. An introductory video suggests early actions you should take to set up the site for your own company. You can put them into practice by following the exact steps outlined after that. These steps include connecting your bank accounts, reviewing Xero's transaction categories, and managing bills. Some introductory material teaches you about these functions, followed by links that take you to the pages where you can either practice using the simple data or start entering your own. This setup tool is great and better than what most competitors offer, but it does take some time to go through. It also exposes you to accounting concepts like the chart of accounts early on, which can be beneficial because you'll better understand what you're doing once you finish the setup process. The long introduction may be off-putting to users who want to jump in and start working. You can hide these steps and revisit them later if you prefer. Appearance and navigation. Xero and QuickBooks Online have very few different looks. Where QuickBooks Online sprawls across the entire screen and uses large fonts and graphics, Xero is more compact, taking up only the center of the screen on some pages. Each app presents key financial data and links to related activities on their homepages, otherwise known as dashboards. Both Xero and QuickBooks are effective, and QuickBooks' revamp of its critical homepage makes it even more so. Xero's dashboard displays account balances with links to reconciliation screens, which have been revamped and simplified. The dashboard also shows numbers and graphs representing outstanding invoices and unpaid bills, as well as total cash in and out. You also see an account watch list and a list of expense claims. Almost everything on the dashboard is a link that takes you to related pages and actions. This screen provides a great, quick overview of your financial health and is a good place to start a work session. Every accounting product we've reviewed has its own navigation system. We have yet to see one that doesn't work to some degree. In Xero, tabs run horizontally across the top, dividing the site into functional groupings: dashboard, business, accounting, projects, and contacts. Click on your company name in the upper left to access settings and other housekeeping tasks. The business menu is where you'll spend most of your day-to-day work time. It houses several sub-functions such as invoices, bills to pay, and products and services. Once you learn your way around, you'll remember where to go to access specific tools and data. Still, we've never found the groupings of features in the main navigation menus to be particularly intuitive, making records in Xero. Another area where you'll do a lot of work, especially at first, is contacts. Here, you create records for your customers and suppliers that contain both contact information and thorough financial details. When you click the Contact tab and choose from Customers or Suppliers, or All Contacts, you see a list of all your contacts that have been created so far, along with totals for what you owe them or what they owe you. It's a nice opening page. Click the New Contact button and the empty record template opens. You can enter extensive contact information and financial details like default settings and accounts, currency, and due dates. Xero offers a customer credit limit and blocking tool. Once customers have reached their credit limit, the blocking tool prevents you from approving or sending invoices until they're within their limit again. Once you've saved a contact record, its own homepage displays related activity front and center. For example, pending and historical bills and purchase orders. The primary contact information appears to the right. You can also create new transactions from this page. Xero provides record templates for your company's products and services with fields for information, price, account, description, and so on about products you buy and sell. Click the box in front of the I track this item field, and Xero asks you to choose your inventory asset account. Then, it begins tracking inventory in the background. You can import opening inventory balances or enter them manually and adjust inventory levels. Overall, the site's inventory management features are not as advanced as those of Soho Books, and its record templates are not as thorough as QuickBooks Online. You can't, for example, set a reorder point, though the product records display the number in committed quotes and on order. A rapid evolution. Xero began its life in New Zealand, but it has grown rapidly since it entered the US market several years ago. Its usability, features, integration options, and network of advisors make it one of the best small business accounting applications available today. The company has emphasized incorporating machine learning in several areas, making it smarter every year too. With that, we've reached the end of today's episode all about Xero and if it's worth using. Do any of you guys use Xero for your business finances? Maybe you use different accounting software. Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a thumbs up. Plus, if you want to see more fantastic finance and accounting content just like this, remember to subscribe to the channel and check out our other socials such as Instagram and TikTok that are listed in the video description. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.